Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 2. Diameter of cylinder A is 7 cm and height is 14 cm. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm and height is 7 cm. Without doing any calculations, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Let us find. We know that we know we know that we know that volume of a cylinder of a cylinder volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h, pi r square into h. Pi r square h. Pi r square h. Here in these two cases, here in case A and B, here the heights, here the heights, the heights, the heights, the heights and diameters, the heights and diameters, the heights and diameters, the heights and diameters of the cylinder, of the cylinders, of the cylinders A and B are interchanged. A and B are interchanged. Are interchanged. And you know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square into h. Therefore, you can say that the cylinder therefore the cylinder with greater radius with greater radius will have greater volume, will have greater volume, greater volume. Why? Because here you see the volume of the cylinder is pi r square and h. The r is greater, it will be squared, r square. Therefore, the cylinder with greater radius will have greater volume. Right? The next question, verify it by finding volume of both the cylinders. Volume of cylinder A, will find the volume of cylinder A of cylinder, volume of cylinder A, that is equal to pi r square into h, pi r square into h. The value of pi is 22 by 7, 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into r. Its diameter is 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius is 7 by 2. That is 7 by 2 r square into 7 by 2 into height is 14, right? About this 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, right? And this 2, 2 7 is 14, and 22, 2 11 is 22. That we are getting 11 into 7 into 7. 11 into 7 into 7. That is, we are getting 11 into 49. 11 into 7 is 49. If we multiply 49 with 11, then we are getting, it is 9, it is 4, it is 9, it is 4, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1, it is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 539 centimeter square, 539. We are getting 539, 539 centimeter square, right? We'll find the volume of the cylinder B. Volume of cylinder B, volume of cylinder B, that is equal to pi r square h. Same formula, that is pi into r square into h. The value of pi is 22 by 7, 22 pi 7. The radius, here you see, the diameter is 14 centimeter, and therefore radius will be 14 by 2, that is half of diameter, that is 7 centimeter. That is 7 into 7, and height is given as 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. That we are getting this 7 will cut, 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, right? That we are getting 22 into 7 is 49. If we multiply this one 49 with 22, then we are getting, multiply 49 into 22. 2 is 18, carry 1, it is 8. 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 is 18, carry 1, 2 is 4, 48 plus 1 is 9. Then you are getting 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 0, 7 8 centimeter square. Therefore we are getting 1 0 7 8 centimeter square. By calculation we are finding also that the volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A, because the radius of cylinder B is greater than the radius of cylinder A, and we have found out that the cylinder with greater radius will have greater volume, right? The volume of the cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A, right? Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. We find that the volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter square, and volume of cylinder B is 1078 centimeter square. Now we will find the surface area of cylinder A and B. Let us find the surface area. We will find the surface area. Here what we got, that volume of cylinder A is equal to volume of cylinder A is equal to 539 centimeter square, and volume of cylinder B, volume of cylinder B is equal to, volume of cylinder B is equal to 1078 78 centimeter square. Right? We'll find the surface area. Let us find the surface area. Surface area. Surface area. Surface area of cylinder A. Surface area of cylinder A. Surface area of cylinder A. We know the surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r 2 pi r into r plus h. R plus h. We'll find 2. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius. Radius here the diameter is 7 centimeter. Therefore radius will be 7 by 2. That is 7 by 2 into again radius is 7 by 2 plus height is 14 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Therefore we are getting 7 on 7, 7 on 7. Right? 2 on 2 to 11 is 22. Right? That is we are getting 2 into 11 is 22 into 7 by 2 plus 14. That we are getting 22. We find the LCM as 2. That is 7 plus 14 to the 28. That means we are getting 22 into 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7. 35 by 2 is 22 to 11 is 22. If you multiply 35 with 11, then we are getting 35 by 11, and you are getting 5. It is 3. It is 5. It is 3. 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 385. We are getting 385. 385 centimeter square. Centimeter square. We'll find the surface area of cylinder B. We'll find the surface area. Surface area of cylinder B. Cylinder B. The formula is same, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2. The value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. The radius. If the diameter is 14 centimeter, therefore the radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 into 7 plus height is also 7. Right? Therefore we are getting 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 7 is 14. Right? We are getting 7 and cut. Therefore we are getting 2 into 22, that is 44. 44 into 14. If I multiply 44 with 14, then we are getting, here you see we are multiplying here 44 with 14, 1 4, that is 4 4 is 16, carry 1, it is 6. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17, 176. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4. We are getting 6, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1, or 5, 6, 616. Therefore we are getting 616 centimeter square is equal to 616 centimeter square. Right? Right? Here we also find that the surface area of cylinder B is greater than the surface area of cylinder A, right? Here you see that surface area of cylinder B is greater than the surface area of cylinder A. That means check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. This is correct. That is the cylinder with greater volume. Here you see the volume of B is 1078. Therefore, surface area of the cylinder B is also greater than the surface area of cylinder A. Right? Then we can say that the cylinder, therefore, you can say that the cylinder, that the cylinder, that the cylinder with greater volume, with greater volume, with greater volume also has greater surface area, greater surface area, greater surface area, right? This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.